Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify for home appliances business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip this if you want. I'm gonna just skip all this and let's continue. Choose an account, and now you're gonna wait a few seconds for building the store and creating your account. The first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes, and here you can choose whatever you want from here, from the themes. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Wait to install the themes, and after this you can publish it and customize it on your home page. I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. Now wait a few seconds for installing this theme. So after the theme is published, is installed, you can publish it and customize it. And you can just click here, and it will take you to your home page store. So first of all, here we have the size of your home page. You can make it like a desktop style, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just give it like this, like a desktop style. Here, this is the settings where you can design your site if you want. So first we have here the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. Also you can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Here if you want to auto change announcements, you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next, the announcement. So here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for collections. For example, I'm gonna select all collections. So let's move on now to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. Also you can change the desktop menu type. Here you can change the sticky header. You can change the color scheme, the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. If you want to edit the same settings, click here. You can enable search suggestions. You can edit the card type. And here if you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo section. So here you can you have to upload your logo from your library, of course. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Just for example, appliances business logo idea like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it at any time. So you can edit the desktop logo with. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner section. So here you have two images. You can add the first image and the second image. So for example, let's search on the first image from the browser, and the second image you can upload this from your library or from your free image library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this for example. You can choose whatever you want. So that's it. Put it here and it will be uploaded. So this is the first image. The second image you can explore it from free image library. So here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can edit the banner height. Also you can edit the desktop contents position. You can show container on desktop. Also you can change the content, the desktop content alignments. Here you can change the animations, the image behavior. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading. You can generate the text, the heading of the image banner. Just describe what this text is about. For example, home appliances, like this. And now you can select one of these suggestions. You can change the heading size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label, you can change the first button link. Here if you want to use outline button style, if you already add the second image, uh, you can add here the second button label, and you can add the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, feature collection. So here you can generate the text on the heading, describe what this text is about. So you can describe more. This is just for example. The description, you can generate the text on the description. Also you can just if you want to describe more, or if you want to just skip this simple home appliances. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can edit the view all style. You can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can edit the product card, the image ratio, and the image shape. Here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor, you can show product region. Also you can enable quick add button, you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section, the website, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme, you can show image sign up, you can generate the heading here. Also you can enable follow on shop, you can show social media icons. So that's it. Now let's save this. After you're done from designing your website, just save this and let's get back. For example, now you can name your store. After you add your first product, you can name your store, and after you customize your online store, just go to the store settings and name your store. So type any name you want here. Also here you can add your store phone, you can change your store email. So that's it. Now just let's save this, and now all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. You can pick a plan. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and publish your store for home appliances business on Shopify. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.